Those Callaways team with Callaway Realty has a great home to show you today in the Villa Coronado neighborhood. Located on the first fairway of the Coronado Golf Course, this remodeled gym has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2,075 square feet. It is centrally located near plenty of Scottsdale amenities, including shopping, dining, and the premier Dorado Park. A gated entry reveals an expansive courtyard with a towering shade tree and a separate open-air patio with a built-in barbecue. The split plan features a formal living, dining, and family room, all with alfresco exits, and are highlighted by vaulted ceilings and a dual-sided fireplace. The updated eat-in kitchen is completed with slab granite and a stainless steel appliances. Plus, there is a bonus den that is perfect for use as a home office. The master suite has a private entrance and walk-in closet. The side yard and secondary patio is very inviting to the covered back patio. The yard has block walls and view fencing that provides privacy without compromising the gorgeous golf course views. And it has a 2-car garage that has built-in cabinets and includes a work area. In addition, the roof has been recently updated. This home is a great value and priced at $775,000. It is brand new to the market, so go see it this Sunday at the open house from 1 to 4. For more information, call 480-596-5751 or visit their website at thosecallaways.com.